International Audio Visual Show for the year 2025. A round of applause.
Total of 125 brands worldwide that are present here, and the total value of the equipments that are being presented at the show exceeds more than 80 million ringgit.
Now this event, the Northern International Audio and Visual Show 2025, brings together visionaries, innovators, dreamers. It's a culmination of shared aspirations, a collective effort that would not have been possible without the encouragement and trust of the Penang State Government, along with its agencies such as the Penang Convention and Exhibition Bureau.
This year's Northern International Audio Visual Show reflects our dedication in providing an enriching experience for all. The exhibition brings together professionals as well as curious minds under one roof, fostering connection that will undoubtedly contribute to the flourishing of this industry.
Congratulations, you have brought this audio visual show into another level, and thank you PSEP for curating the show, attracting more attention, and I wish you all the success.
It's my hobby, very happy to come over to see the shows, to listen to the sound and everything. And then with the accessories, I like to get involved also. I'm very happy,
Hello, today I'm here to see to look at these audios because I very like music. You can see a lot of different brands here and you can buy a lot.
I know this exhibition through social media and shared by my friends, so I decided to have a look at it. What's been offered through the exhibition, and I didn't expect the exhibition is so big. I thought it's a small exhibition only.
Well, we are bringing in ATC speakers. This active limited edition is only 150 pairs in the world.
Hi, this is Ku from Series Statement. The product we are represent this year for the Northern AV show will be the main product will be the mutton speaker and the MSB, DAC and the power amp. And then of course we do a streaming. Streamed by the Lumin YouTube stream.
Hi everyone, this is Joseph from JW Speaker Lab. We make a bespoke, customized hi-fi and home theater speakers. In this Penang Hi-Fi show, we are showcase our latest customized speakers. It's a two-way NPM bookshelf speakers with SD acoustic drivers. So these are barium filters and these are paper woofers. The feedback of part today has been really great. I think we got almost zero negative comment. Everyone really like our speakers here. And I think so far the show really got quite some crowd. I'm quite happy with the show.
I'm Leong from North Brand Acoustics. This year we are launching our first ever model, Pursuit of Emotions. It's an IEM. We are also developing a few more prototypes. Our philosophy is mainly on enjoyment in music. Meanwhile, we also carry Rossi & Wing from Taiwan, relatively new brand. As you can see from the product, they are more on an artistic approach for this hobby.
Our key product here is a CH Position Magico Western Finish Gryphon Neo Diablo 33 amplifier. So I'm Tryfo from Worldwide Sound. I'm an audio consultant for this company. This kind of hi-fi
in the high-end level, we need a quiet environment. For room like this, I need more lah.